What's up, guys? Take a look at this 2015 hybrid C-Max. Bro, what? And this is the smoothest driving car I've ever driven in.
Having your own little.
Oh yeah. Damn. They killing the fuck is.
All right, y'all. We just gonna actually start it up real quick. We actually gonna put this in right here. You see that? Nice little details in here, man. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean, man. We just got. I just ate my dad fried, bro. He gonna be pissed. All right, y'all. I'm gonna pull in real quick, and then I'll cut the camera on once we park. All right, y'all. We just got the 2015 hybrid C-Max into the bay, and it's time to take a look at it. Just gonna get it lifted up real quick. Let me actually turn that off. I know it's so quiet, it's kind of hard to even tell if it's on or not, but this thing is hybrid, so it takes gas and EV. You only want to put like 87 in here. Keep it 87. You don't want to put like anything higher, because you're literally not going to get any more benefits if you do upgrade to like 89 or something like that. So, you know, pretty clean interior, man. This thing is extremely clean, man. It didn't come like this though. My pop actually did some deep cleaning to this bad boy. Probably could use a wash on the outside, but I mean, it's just a car like if we go into the gym or something like that, it's just hop in and go. I would say turn key and go, but it's EV. You don't even need to put a key into the ignition, guys. But hey, shout out my man Mike for letting us come through and, you know, check out the 2015 C-Max. See what's wrong with it, man. Thanks to Mike. None of this is possible without you, big guy. Appreciate you. And we about to probably lift it. I did drive it once and I noticed like some small little rattling inside of the front. Not sure if you guys own one of these cars or know exactly what I'm talking about. 2015 is, you know, it's a great car, but it just comes with a little bit of problems. So you guys stay tuned, and we're about to get right to it. Yeah.
Right.
All right, look.
Leave me alone. Like they really do. They pick on you. It's crazy.
Hey, Dad, look how low this oil catch can is.
Damn, that's a bad. I
That's
don't like
almost
that.
on the ground.
That should be covered. Like as soon as you hit something, you tearing that shit up. Yeah,
There's a panel missing.
Oh, it sure is. And they said the last time they said, "Fuck it, I ain't gonna do it."
Guys, we'll get you a panel so your oil filter can be covered. If you smack the ground, this is gonna come clean off. You don't want those problems. It's the oil pan. Pop, you finna get a muffler to delete on this bad boy?
No, sir. I want it as quiet as possible.
Why not? It actually look pretty clean though. See that? Let's take this muffler off, y'all. Let's take this muffler off. I'm trolling.
Swear, that looks like new struts. Look, they put new struts in here.
Oh damn.
See that right there?
Yeah.
That's your sway bar link.
Yeah. That looks like that's good.
But if I hit that with a like a rubber mallet, it's probably gonna king. That's probably where your noise is coming from. That's look good. They almost look new.
Damn.
I wonder if this side will look a little different. I noticed driving
that side look more newer than that though.
Really?
Yeah. That's the side. Well, the driver's side looks.
So it's kind of like having your own little.
Oh yeah. Damn. They killing the fuck is.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, that cleaned it right up too. Sheesh. Bro, this car is so quiet. Like, I could get used to a car like this. Just, you know, not too loud, just calm, get in and just go. This is a great car, bro. I can't even make this up. Like, I have no complaints about this car. I was driving on the freeway. It just felt good being able to see how out of all your windows. I don't even have tint on the scat, but it's still hard to see. Look at that beauty, y'all. It's a beauty. We got a Tundra over here. My boy's locked in over here. You got something to tell the channel, man? My boy over here locked in, bro. Make sure y'all take some notes, because I know I am. We got a Tundra right here, and I noticed that These last a very long time. As I get older, I'm starting to see, bro, you want to buy cars that last long, bro, because just buying cars that just mess up is it's not smart, guys. So I know we was asked some struts on here. Did you already install the struts, my boy?
No, they're right there.
Gotcha.
Struts, ball joints, O2 sensors, new headlights.
Clean. New headlights look pretty good. Hey, they gonna be in the comments like, hey, can you tell them I need some help on my car, bro?
Come pull up.
Pull up. Yes, sir, man. All right, y'all. So it didn't have anything specific getting done to the C-Max right here. Just kind of wanted to get it lifted in the air. Take a look up under. It's the first time since it's been purchased. We wanted to get a cleaner look, some better angles as to what's going on under here. Suspension, how's it looking? See, my dad right here is spraying something. What are you spraying?
Brake cleaner. This will cleans any oil on it.
Got you. So Pops over here spraying brake cleaner. So let me watch out before we get sprayed in the eyeball with brake cleaner.
Yeah, you always spray them first. Drive it for a minute. See if it,
Cause you want to warm it up first, right?
well, you want to see if any of the leaks, where the leak is coming from, if it is still leaking.
I'm too tall to be under here, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and back up. You see, this how us tall people gotta do, man. Problem.
I hit my head a few times already.
Me too.
But it's been on the tires, so it ain't bad.
Yeah, and you know, at least the tires got some good tread on them still. Oh yeah? Oh, I can tell. These bad boys is clean. My fingers didn't even get dirty.
I would probably replace those sway links. I just bought 2 for that Prius for like $16.
Yeah, they look easy to replace. You're just taking them off right there at the top and the bottom, huh?
Where the sway links at? Right here, right?
Yep, right here.
Right. Okay. So we probably just take a look at these sway links right here. We got the control arm right here, sway links right here, and yeah, it looks better than what I expected it to. What you think, Dad?
Yeah.
Pretty solid.
Yeah, I think it's. I just want to clean him up.
Yeah, for sure.
See where wherever this leak is, but it ain't leaking to that degree to where it's something like, oh, this gotta be fixed.
Yeah. I got you, Dad.
Leaking in the driveway.
I didn't drive it that long, but what I can say is very cool under here. I think that's the EV. It's off that battery, not that gas. So that's what I like. If I put the scat in there after driving it 5 minutes up the road, it's gonna be screaming. We just got words. We finna put some Brimbos on the C-Max, right, Pop?
No, sir. No Brembo. Strictly factory.
All right, y'all. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick little lesson, real quick. We got the CV axle right here with the little squeegee. We got the sway bar link right here. Yeah, sway bar link right here. And then we also got the control arm. They look pretty good. Then we got the ball joint right here. So, you know, if you hearing anything and you take a look up under your car and you don't feel like going to a mechanic, but you can see if something looks off, now you know exactly what to go and replace. So rewind like 5 seconds or something like that, just so you get a better understanding and see what I was pointing at. We'll take it from there. That junk actually smells good though. Blow it over here, Pop. Blow it over here. Pop say you tweaking, son.
Yeah, you tweaking.
Look how clean that is.
Yeah, she right.
She right. Look how low that is to the ground, bro. Yeah, we definitely got to get a little cover. I just had a cheeseburger from Sonic. I want another one. All right, guys, check out the engine right here. We got the hybrid. Man, I would love to see a hybrid engine inside of the Scat, but nope, we're gas only, man. I'm gonna stick to it unless I'm getting a Model S Tesla. A Model S Tesla. Wide body. You dig? This is a great representation and a great way to break into the EV. Clean interior. Do not mind the Sonic. Great for like a first time home, first time driver. It's amazing. What y'all think about that 2015 hybrid C-Max?
Oh, look, I redid the interior.
Dad, let me take a look at that MSRP.
Let me give you a better view of it.
Y'all won't believe how much this car costs. Bro, what?
Yes, sir. Technology, active part assist, white plate.
This is a great car. Look at how many documents was kept on this car. That's how you know it's a good car. One owner had all of these documents. If you go and buy a car, you want to make sure it looks something like this. At least some type of documentation, you know, when the oil change was done. Because a lot of people don't know these things. They be like, oh yeah, it's a good car, you know, clean title, but they ain't leave no track. They ain't leave no trace of, you know, what's been done to the car. So maybe it's just me and I've been living under a rock, but I didn't know Costco works on cars. So if you need anything done to your car and you got a Costco nearby, you should probably go check it out. I did hear that Walmart is not the best when it comes to car work though. That's just me. That's what I heard. But y'all go check out Costco if it's one nearby. Last year, wait a minute. What, that was 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago.
Well, no, it's just because it just turned 26.
True. You're right. A year ago, these tires on the hybrid 2015 C-Max, all of the tires were copped from Costco. And these tires are literally like brand spanking new. So that's some free game for y'all if y'all need some tires and you don't feel like going to a local shop. Now, Costco may charge you a bit higher, maybe, right? Or you think Costco charge a lot for tires?
They usually have no, because they get, if you a member, they probably give you a nice little deal.
See, there you go, right? So if you're a member already and you shop at Costco, they probably give you a deal on some tires. So y'all go check out Costco if you want some new tires or some work done to your car. So on the way to the actual shop, we was driving and me and my dad heard a Mercedes-Benz AMG fly past us, and it sounded amazing. It honestly sounded like the Scat Pack for real, but it just so happened to have a Benz right here. Man, y'all, you know what y'all think about the Mercedes-Benz C350? I'm sorry, C250. It looks very clean, guys. I know y'all like Benz. I know y'all like Mercedes. Who doesn't like Mercedes? Hey. And maybe, I think it possibly may be for sale. So if you're in Texas and you're interested in a Mercedes-Benz, reach out to me via Instagram. I'll have my Instagram in the description. My Instagram name is Dre Gatsby. I just popped it up right here on the side of the screen. If you are interested in a Mercedes-Benz and you're in Texas, a lot of y'all been reaching out about like mechanic work, etc. So hey, if I can help anyway. Oh, carbon fiber diffuser on that thing. Yeah, Mike, we're gonna have to go up another $1,000 on this because it got a carbon fiber diffuser. Come on now. As y'all can tell, extremely clean engine bay. If you like Mercedes-Benz, if you're located in Texas, I know a lot of y'all been picking up on my content. You should definitely reach out. It's serious inquiries only. This is a beautiful car. I'm not here to waste time, things like that. We're trying to make sure people are taken care of. Mercedes-Benz C250. We ain't gonna play no games with them. If you're interested, my Instagram will be in the description below. And y'all have a beautiful car that could be yours. So don't hesitate reaching out.
Motherfucker, man, we ain't doing that.
YouTube. I appreciate y'all tuning in. This your boy Dre Gatsby. That's gonna be the end of this video. Gave y'all some gems as y'all can rewind, take a deep dive into how to fully diagnose and what's some things that you should look at when it comes to owning a 2015 Ford hybrid C-Max, man. Got OG in the cut, man. Say what up, Dad.
What it do?
Hey, we just dropped a great video for y'all, man. And y'all stay tuned for the next video. See y'all tomorrow, guys.
Yeah, I'm always by myself. Rest in peace to all my fallen dogs. I still got Johnny Test. I was crying, but that's nonetheless. If you're not strong, you can't survive the less. Running that money up, be my chest. So once you survive, prepare for the